Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas. The Hindu editorial dictation. Heading is New Question. First article we have ICMR's serological survey findings may have relevance for modifying vaccination policy. ICMR ने एक सर्वे किया है कि वैक्सीनेशन पॉलिसी को आगे हम मॉडिफाई कर सकते हैं. दिस आर्टिकल इज रिलेटेड टू वैक्सीनेशन कम्प्लीटली एंड ICMR. हम अपनी आर्टिकल की शुरुआत करते हैं 100 वर्ड पर मिनट्स. दिस आर्टिकल इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड दिस वर्ड्स. चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं. बी रेडी गाइज, रेडी स्टार्ट. द रिजल्ट्स of the ICMR's third serological survey to ascertain the spread of COVID-19 show that nearly 1 in 5 Indians, about 270 million, may have been infected. The headline findings were published at a press conference and it will be a while before granular details of the course of the infection as was known till December will be made public in a peer-reviewed journal. However, what is known so far is that compared to August, when data for the second serological survey was announced, there has been a threefold rise in infections. There has also been a fivefold rise in percentage terms of the infection in those aged 10 to 17 years. The third edition also included a serological survey of doctors, nurses, and paramedical staff, revealing that nearly 25%, significantly above the national average, had been infected. Compared to reports of city-focused serology surveys in Delhi and mathematical modeling estimates, the ICMR survey results appear to be more conservative in estimating the true spread. Experts of various views point to the declining trend in infections seen since September and the absence of multiple peaks in coronavirus cases as a pointer to the spread being far wider and spending up herd immunity, a state when a significant proportion of people in a locale have been infected, thereby retarding future spread. But it would be wrong to derive comfort from this situation. The ICMR emphasizes that the results point to a significant number still potentially vulnerable, underscoring the need to be vaccinated and continue with distancing and masking up. Also, neither this survey nor any city-wide survey has evaluated how long antibodies persist and if certain various mutant variants can overcome the protection from antibodies. Given that vaccines are round the corner for the general public and that no district has been immune from the virus, it is now no longer useful to know that 80% of India is still vulnerable. Rather, such surveys must shift focus to asking more granular questions. Should be the rights is separate among tingers and children mean that they be considered for vaccination earlier than scheduled. Should companies accelerate trials to test protection in children? Question mark. Should the rise in rural India? The survey is designed in a way to sample more villages than urban pockets, mean that they be given vaccines earlier. These and many more questions are no doubt already on the minds of specialist researchers, but alongside the vaccination drives, the ICMR and the government health facilities must coordinate with a broader spectrum of specialists to investigate questions that can be used to guide and modify vaccination policy. फुल स्टॉप। गाइज ये आपके 460 वर्ड है, इसको आप टाइप कीजिए, टाइप करने के बाद इसको मैच कीजिए। देखो आप लोगों के लिए जो हमने मंडे से स्टार्ट करेंगे, जो भी इसमें वोकैबुलरी होगी उस वोकैबुलरी को हम इसमें आपको सिनोनियम्स देंगे, प्लस इसमें आपकी न्यू आउटलाइन भी देंगे और हिंदी में इसका मीनिंग भी हम आपको प्रोवाइड करेंगे। ओके, जितना भी हो सके इसको डिक्टेशन को शेयर कीजिए और लाइक कीजिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।